This is a quick video on understanding integrals and how to use them algebraically, and it also refers to homework 3, problem number 5. So when you have something like this, and we're trying to find out what the integral from 1 to 3. Oops, I put that wrong there. From 1 to 3 of f of x dx is. So we apply if you have an integral of two things added together, you can break it apart. So we apply that rule. So you have 1 over integral from 1 to 3 of, and you can take the 5 out. So that I would change this to 5 f of x dx plus the integral from 1 to 3 of 6 dx. That's kind of the key move there, because let's see, we know that this is equal to 11, I guess. If you look at at least my version of the problem says that. Or this is someone else's version, but anyway. Okay, so all this is equal to 11. Now, this we can actually calculate, because the integral of 6 dx would be 6x integrated from 1 to 3. Of course, this is still 5 times integral from 1 to 3 of f of x dx plus, right? That's still 11 over here. And so when I actually apply the fundamental theorem of calculus, I get 5 times, well, that doesn't affect this, of course, but when I apply the fundamental theorem of calculus here, I get 18 minus 6, and that's still equal to 11. So then I get 5 times the integral from 1 to 3 of f of x dx. And if I add 6 to both sides, that's 17. Subtract 18 from both sides, I get minus 1. And then if I divide both sides by 5, I find out that the integral from 1 to 3 of f of x dx is equal to negative 1/5. And that's actually what I was looking for. But I remember right up there, yep. So that's equal to negative 1/5.